Welcome to a journey towards a more confident, happier you. Today we're exploring the incredible power of positive self-esteem. Positive self-esteem isn't just about feeling good. It's about believing in yourself, no matter what. Low self-esteem can hold you back. It's like an anchor making every challenge seem insurmountable. But remember, with self-belief, that anchor can shatter, freeing you to conquer any obstacle. Conversely, high self-esteem propels you forward. It's the wind beneath your wings, helping you soar to new heights. Believe in yourself and you can achieve anything. Your self-esteem takes root in your early years, nurtured by love, support, and validation from your caregivers. With a foundation of love and support, your self-esteem can flourish, becoming a source of strength and confidence. Sadly, neglect and criticism can stunt self-esteem, leaving scars that last a lifetime. But remember, healing is possible. With care and support, you can overcome the scars and let your self-esteem flourish. It can be your greatest cheerleader, snaking darts, or your harshest critic. Choose to listen to the cheers, believe in yourself, and your inner voice will become your greatest ally. It's essential to silence the inner critic, replacing self-doubt with self-compassion. By being kind to yourself, you unlock the door to self-acceptance and inner peace. Setting and achieving small, realistic goals can be the first step to boosting self-esteem. With each achievement, your confidence grows. Remember, progress, no matter how small, is a testament to your strength and determination. Self-care is paramount. Take time to nurture your physical and mental well-being. In the quiet moments of self-care, you discover your inner strength and resilience. Surround yourself with people who lift you up, not bring you down. In the company of positivity, you find strength, encouragement, and endless possibilities. Acquiring new skills and knowledge can enhance your sense of self-worth. Whether it's painting, coding, playing an instrument, or any other passion, learning enriches your identity. With every skill mastered, your self-worth blossoms, opening doors to new opportunities. Failures and rejections are part of life. They don't define you. They're stepping stones to growth. In fact, learning from your setbacks can boost self-esteem more than success. Every setback is a chapter in your story of resilience. Embrace these chapters, for they make you stronger, wiser, and more resilient. If you're a parent, instilling positive self-esteem in your children is a gift that will last a lifetime. Educators also play a pivotal role in shaping young minds. They inspire, guide, and illuminate the path to knowledge. Through their dedication, educators empower future leaders, thinkers, and innovators. Remember, as you grow in self-esteem, can inspire others to do the same. In your journey of self-discovery, you become a beacon of inspiration, creating a ripple effect of self-esteem and empowerment. When we build a community of self-assured individuals, we create a world filled with positivity and potential, embracing diversity and confidence. We unlock endless possibilities and nurture a world where everyone can thrive. In conclusion, positive self-esteem is not just a nice-to-have. It's a fundamental aspect of your well-being. It's the foundation upon which you build your dreams and achieve your goals. Remember, positive self-esteem is not a destination. It's a journey. It's about embracing your uniqueness, nurturing your inner strength, and celebrating your victories, no matter how small they may seem. And as you embark on this journey, know that you're never alone. There's a community of like-minded individuals, friends, and family who believe in your potential and are ready to support you. If you found this video inspiring and helpful, please like and subscribe for more content that empowers you to be the best version of yourself. Together, we can spread the message of self-love and positivity.